I'm here with Matt Johnson, who recently became a practitioner for operational excellence. He's taken the program and gone through that, and very happy that you want to take the time and talk to me today. So first, before we start, can you tell me, why did you choose to take the program?
Yeah, so I've been a focus factory manager here at the facility for quite a while. And we've gone through some changes where we wanted to get people more engaged and work differently and really ultimately change the way we work. And through some previous conversations that we thought that this would be a great path for me to take. And then during this training, I was presented with another opportunity here at the facility to work on a different project, and we've been able to implement the things in the factory, and also take some of these learnings over to this new project and be able to start the planning process with these philosophies in mind, and wanting to do operate our business that way with the new opportunity that I have.
Okay, well, that's good. Sounds like a good deal for sure.
Yeah.
So can you tell me about the process, about the content, and what it was like to take the training? Since it's multi-sensory in the sense that you can read, you can listen, and you can do more than just one learning style. So, what's your thoughts about that?
Yeah, sure. Certainly the flexibility of the program was great. Being able to go in and log in and do the trainings when I could fit them into my schedule. It was a lot of weekends, a lot of nights that I was able to do these things and fit them in with how I learned too. That was helpful in to be able to, in some situations I would listen, right? In some situations I would read. But having that option to do it either way was very, very flexible and very useful for me in the different situations that I had.
Yeah, good. And that's a theoretical test in the end before you get certified, and then you have to run a project as well to send it in and make sure it's confirmed, so we know that you know what you're doing, so to speak, for sure. So obviously, hopefully, it was a good project. So do you have any idea of like cost savings ratio for training cost and so on?
Yeah, well, as compared to the training costs, I think it was, first of all, it was a great project. The team that we had on that project really embraced it and loved the good we were doing, and we were able to, I guess in comparison with the training cost, it was more than a 12 times savings compared to the training cost of what we're seeing, so well worth it.
Yeah, and then of course it's the ability to guide other people as well, because you have the knowledge and all that. And did you print out so you have like a book now where you can have all the material with you, or how did you?
Yeah. So I've made a booklet, and it's really helped me into a lot of different areas. Provide some trainings to my team or other teams. Certainly, as we're going into this other project, we did a lot of single piece flow, did a training on that, and it was a great reference to be able to go back and take some of those learnings and have that printed out in the book so that I could use that.
That's very good. Very happy. Good that you're using it as well, for sure. So that's good. Well, thank you so much for taking the time. Appreciate and give some information as well, and it's very helpful for us as well. So thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you.